What up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose, but only until you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to show you our $10,000 portfolio update. So if you haven't seen already, we did a video a little while back, and it was called the $10,000 how I would invest $10,000 in crypto. We're going to see if we're up or down. I already know the answer, but that's also because I'm Crypto Moose, right? And the moose is loose. So definitely like, comment, subscribe, and reach out to us if you'd like to do a collab. So yeah, let's get into the video. We have quite a bit to cover, but ultimately, I just wanted to remind you that we're going to be doing a lot more videos like this. I like building portfolios, and again, I'm not telling you what to buy, but I'm giving you options. So if we go to my portfolio, we're at about 13,300, not bad. But our $10,000 portfolio, we are up. What is that? 18%? Like simple numbers, right? 1,000, 10,000. So if we do take a look, our profit loss, we're up 20% on Cardano. So Alex Becker, don't know what you're talking about, but Cardano is doing pretty sweet, at least as of right now. Matic, we are up 49%. I mean, I don't know what else to do, but guys and girls, I've cracked the code. Like Satoshi Nakamoto is looking down on me and he's like, "You did it, son." We figured it out. In Kopi, guys, we're up 80%. That's insane. No wonder Bill Gates is calling me all the time. "Mitch, how do you do it?" I'm like, "Dude, watch the channel." He didn't even subscribe. Subscribe, Bill Gates. Subscribe. What an idiot. I'm going to run Microsoft and make billions. Dude, he could have made 80% with me. God. Bill Gates is doing pretty fine. Anyways, if we look at our popular videos, look at this video, guys. Look at this video. This is like one of the first videos I did 2 months ago. I said ADA's the one, and everybody just watched it. 10,000 views. So definitely go there, smash the like button, and be like, "Crypto Moose, you were right." So before I forget as well, definitely subscribe. Subscribe. It's only for your best interest. Like, if you don't subscribe, then you're just telling yourself, you're telling your family, you're telling your dog, all the pets that you may have. Maybe you have a pet snake. You're just telling them, "I don't love you and I don't want to make money to support you." So that's just it just doesn't make sense, right? If you're not going to subscribe and watch Crypto Moose, then you're just going to get the wrong information, right? You might as well go back to the 1800s and not even be part of technology. So it's definitely up to you all. So definitely subscribe because, Crypto Moose has the good picks. So long term, these are basically projects that I would invest into. What I would do, not telling you to do this, but you can copy the moose because sometimes the moose is loose, right? By the way, this coffee I made is going to get me arrested. It is so strong. I don't know what the heck I did to it, but it's phenomenal. I actually just picked up the Starbucks coffee and, I am wired. I feel like I can see the blockchain. The moose is loose. We're taking over. So one thing I wanted to mention with this portfolio is that we did allocate a little bit into a small cap altcoin. I thought, it was probably what, $150, 200 we put into. The fact we're up 80%, I didn't expect for that to happen, but that's why you want to get into the low caps. And for those of you that don't know, a low cap is going to be a project that doesn't have a big market cap, meaning it's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin has the most dollars put into it, right? It's got a half a $1 trillion market cap, whereas Cornucopia's, it's a smaller market cap. It's more speculative, but it could go up exponentially. So you do want to try to catch those nice low cap projects. That's where researching, understanding, watching Crypto Moose, and getting into these picks. Now we are down 3%. I apologize. I'm not perfect, but all in all, we're doing pretty good. Okay, we're doing really good, and we're well diversified. Try not to over diversify, right? Because if you over oh my goodness, this coffee, I swear, this coffee is insane. If you over diversify, then what you're doing is you're spreading yourself too thin. So if you do hit, for example, cornucopias, and we were only able to allocate, say, 2% instead of 10%, then our gains aren't going to be there quite as much as if we, just had a few picks. So the idea is, pick your top 5, top 10, and dump everything into it. Because if you have 50 coins, even if one of them hits it big, you didn't put that much money into it. So definitely try to weed out those decisions. And always, I tell people all the time, pen and paper, right? We have these beautiful brains. We have these ideas. But anyways, it's hard to figure it out sometimes. So definitely subscribe, get more content, comment down below. What would you like me to cover? If you comment down below what you would like me to cover, I'll probably do a video on it. And by the way, I set up a wallet, the Giro wallet, I think it was. Trying to think of where it is and which video. But anyways, I set up a Giro wallet and I left some Cardano on there. So definitely find that video and, definitely see if you can pick up your those tokens that I put on there. I'm trying to find the video. I'll try to find that real quick. Here, how to set up a Giro wallet, okay? In this video, I give you guys the private key. So whoever watches that video, you're going to get 25 ADA for free. So it's like $15, It's probably not going to make you rich, but whatever. So also, what I'm doing is, well, what I have been doing for a long time, I've been building a ton of online courses. So what I am offering for the next 30 days is a coupon code. It is Moose is Loose. So if you take a look at the screen, if you click on the links in the description below, our NFT Non-Fungible Tokens for Beginners course, you can get 79% off. $25, you can learn beginning to end how to invest into NFTs. So in this course, it's pretty sweet because I show you how to set up wallets, how to earn royalties, how to buy, sell, trade, all that good stuff. So watch the preview videos. You can check out all the content here. So setting up your wallets. I've created all of this from scratch. I cannot explain to you in person within a 4-hour time frame how to do all these things better than I can the way that I've compiled these videos. So it's screen recorded. It's all shot in 4K. I put a lot of love and effort into that. These are gifts that I'm trying to share with you. I'm not making that much off of these courses, but long term, I'm reaching and helping out a lot of people. Crypto investing for beginners, how to earn passive income. So again, learn the entire crypto investing process, buying cryptocurrencies and NFTs. If you get one of these courses, it's really going to help you out. I promise. Because 5 years from now, you will be able to identify specific projects. You will know, based on what I've learned, like, why would I buy this? This project has a terrible founder. I wouldn't, there's a lot of good information in here. YouTube is great, but these courses are sweet. And the reason I'm still developing more, I have one more to build, and it's going to be an entire masterclass, is because once you take these courses, this knowledge will stick with you. Right? So just think about it. I really want all of you to participate. I cannot offer these for free because I put in too much time and effort to build them, but I can give you 80% off, which is dope because you are my subscribers. I love you all. And we also have a 10-day cryptocurrency challenge. Again, use coupon code Moose is Loose or just click on the link in the description below. I have the coupon code embedded in the link. So that is basically what we have. Our 10K portfolio is now 11K. The Moose is Loose, right? Every day I've got people calling me, I have money, but I need more money. And they call me and I'm like, guys, I can't help everybody. I'm not the government. I can't just give everybody money, but I can give you the picks. Okay, I can give you the knowledge that I have. I can share with you the mistakes that I've made and I can be genuine with you. That's what this channel is ultimately all about. And what I'm also going to do, because this guy's helped me out so much, I'm going to go to DApp Central. Subscribe to DApp Central. Okay? This guy has tons of content. You could also delegate to his ISPO. So maybe I could even show you all how to do that. I may even do a video on how to do it just to go over the specifics. So if I do go to one of my crypto wallets here, and so if we go here, what you're going to do, for example, if you have a Yoroi wallet, all you're going to do is go to delegation list. Okay, so that's Yoroi. And I'm already delegating to that pool. You're going to type in DApp. And it's going to be the DApp Central Stake Pool. So you're going to click on Delegate. I've already done that. So Fareed, if you're watching it, I've got a couple wallets where we are going to be delegating to the DApp Central Stake Pool. So if you don't know what this is, a stake pool ultimately is, how do I explain this simply? So the way Cardano works is it is based on proof of stake. So Bitcoin is proof of work. You set up your miners and your nodes. Basically, you, as a Bitcoin node operator, you get rewarded with the new supply, which is cut in half every 4 years. Hence, 2024 is a halving. Great moment to get in before. With Cardano, it is proof of stake. So that's what Ethereum just did. So instead of having to set up expensive computer hardware, you delegate to a stake pool. So it's more energy efficient, and you get rewarded every 5 days. So basically all you have to do is set up your wallet, and you're just going to go to delegation, and you can delegate your assets to a stake pool, and you get rewarded with the new supply. So as long as you are delegating, you are saying, hey, and by the way, you're not moving your coins, you're keeping in your wallet. You're basically just signing a transaction saying, yes, I support this stake pool, and then you can earn free tokens, etc. I show you all this in the online courses. So you can see the total rewards here of this wallet. So here we are delegating into Meld. So we're going to be getting a bank manager. I have tons of wallets. I've got a ton of wallets. So even here, I'm even delegating to the Crow node with one of my bigger wallets. So you can just see that you can earn rewards. So at the end of the day, if you want to be a savage, if you want to get loose, if you want to be like Crypto Moose, subscribe and watch more content. So if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese. See y'all later.